What is going on, team? Welcome back. It's that time of month. It is the 8th of June. So it is time to recap my portfolio. So, looking back at last month, I had 7,460, something like that, just shy of 7,500. So, I've added about £100 into my pie so far. Currently down £238, so that's 3%. Last month I was only down like 0.62%, so it's dropped quite a bit since last month, that is for sure. But like I said, we're in here for the long time, so I'm not too fussed with that. 3% isn't much at all. And there's a couple of challenges in here as well. So this video, we're just going to touch on my main stocks, my individual shares that I hold. I will do a separate video on my almost daily dividends pie. And then there's also my investing £1 a day for a year. That's currently ongoing, and there will be a video on that in the future. So keep your eyes peeled. Make sure you're subscribed to see that. But before we dive into my shares, make sure you hit that like button, please, guys. So if we just scroll down here, so all the like £20 ones, that's pretty much all in the almost daily dividends pie. Ultra is a individual share, as you can tell here. I've got £1,000 in that. Currently down £1. I hold 30 shares of that. As you can see here, it's pretty up at the moment to where, so that dotted line is my average buy. So if we scroll down here, the average price I bought my shares at is $43. It's currently sat at 45. So it has climbed since my average buy. So once that gets probably around here, maybe a little bit lower, I will be buying some more of that. So that is Ultra. Keep going down. I've got some money in BHP Group. I might start buying more into this because the dividends is pretty decent, to be fair. Yeah, 9% here. I don't want to put too much money into it, but like I said, it is pretty decent for the price as well. So if I do have some dividends coming in, I might reinvest it back into it. Maybe top it up with other dividends coming in as well. Coca-Cola, this one I want to keep building on as well. This is a strong one for sure, been around hundreds of years, and it's currently at a low as well compared to my average buy. So yeah, the average price I normally buy at is 60. It's currently at 59. So it might be worth chucking some money into that. Dividends at 3%, so it's not too bad with that. Like I said, Coca-Cola is currently down. Legal & General, I hold 140 shares of that, just over £300. You can see my average buy is up there, and it's currently all the way down here. So I am pumping money into this. So every week I'm pumping money into this, try and grow those shares as much as possible while it's currently at this low, and hopefully it will build up. Like I said, it's almost 10% down. Dividend payout is 8.77%, so again, quite a high dividends. which is good, and it's a solid company as well. Basically, I have my life insurance with this company. That's why I invest into them. Mainstream Capital, I've just started buying these now, trying to build my REITs. So yeah, I've been putting money into this weekly, slowly building this portfolio up on there. Microsoft, again, another solid one, along with Coca-Cola. This is a long-term one for myself. It's doing pretty well at the moment with AI going on. As you can see there, it's currently up 12%. So I'm not really buying Microsoft at the moment. I'm just leaving it there. Hopefully it drops down so I can buy some more. As you can see there, my average price, buy-in price is $294. That's currently at 337. So I'm just going to leave that as it is. Dividend, like I said, it's 0.8, so it's not really as high as I'd like it. But like I said, it's a long-term thing. I'll just leave that there, let the dividends keep ticking over with that. And then Realty Income is my second biggest, second or first, could be first above Ultra. This is still down, it's been down for a while. Again, I'm buying into this weekly. While it's low, I'm just constantly buying into it. As you can see there, previously my average price was $63. It's currently $59, so I'm trying to buy as much as possible to get that average price as low as possible. And as you can see there, I hold 30 shares of Realty Income, currently down just under 8%, and it pays out 5% dividends. Again, this is a monthly paying dividend. It's a solid dividend. I think it pays me six pounds maybe a month, or $6, one of them, every month, and that keeps getting reinvested into Realty Income itself. Redwood Trust, I bought this a while ago when it was at 13%. I just put £100 onto it. As you can see there, it's down 24%. I was buying it at pretty much $8. Because it was so cheap, I basically put £100 in, bought 21 shares, and it's at 10% now, so dividends has dropped since I bought it. I think it gives me like £5 every month, but that £5 doesn't get reinvested into Redwood. It goes straight back into one of my big ones like Microsoft, Coca-Cola, stuff like that. So I'm just using this to get basically high dividends, and those high dividends is going straight into a solid company really. So I'm just using that for the dividends. If I lose £100, I lose £100. I'm not too bothered. And then my biggest one then down at bottom, right here, is the FTSE All World High Dividends. So currently 47 shares I own. I want to get that to 100 if I can. Obviously the next goal is 50 first. Here is my average buy line, and it's currently sitting down here at 45. So I want to keep buying this as much as possible. Again, to bring that line, if I can bring that line down here, perfect. As you see there, average price 47. It's currently sat at £45. Yeah, down pretty much 3%. Doesn't show the dividends, but it pays out a 4% dividend with this. Again, this is a long-term one. Just reinvesting dividends into this, and it's keep growing. I had a massive payout with this. I think I posted it on my channel as a short. I think I had £38 come through. As you can see here, almost daily dividend pie is sat there. We'll go into that another time. Ultra, that's in a pie with auto invest turned on, so anything comes in, that'll be auto invested. Coca-Cola, again, auto invest turned on. FTSE All World High Dividend, again, So that's my dividend that I got paid this month. So on the 1st of this month, that come in £28, and that got automatically reinvested, bought straight into that, which is perfect. That is my invest £1 a day challenge. I will do a separate video on that. Microsoft, again, drip is turned on, and then reality income, drip is turned on. So these are my main individual stocks where I've got auto invest turned on, and these are the goals to just keep on growing as much as possible. History. Let's touched on dividend earnings coming in. So again, all these small ones are the almost daily dividends pie. Coca-Cola 2 days ago paid me 86 pence, so that would be auto invested into Coca-Cola. Again, Redwood Trust, like I said, that paid me £2.30, and that got pretty much chucked into like the FTSE All World High Dividend with that. And there you go there, that's my FTSE All World High Dividends, £28, that got auto invested straight back into it. Main Street 26. This is going into last month then, so yeah, this is pretty much from the first. Sweet. So that is pretty much my pie. If you are interested in joining Trading 212, please hit that link in the description box below, and I will basically share my link with you, and it gives you basically free shares where you can get and start investing with me. So please hit that like button if you haven't already. Also subscribe if you haven't. Plenty more of these videos coming out, and I'll see you in the next video.